So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap over your bulbs. I wanted brighter bulbs because the ones I've got, which is this old one here, is really yellowy, and at night it's not great, so I've gone for this brighter bulb. You need to make sure you get the right one. So for the Volkswagen Caddy Maxi, I've got a H4. I have been into Halfords and the booklet told me, I think it was a H7. I asked the staff as well. They all said H7. Then when I got them out, it's a completely different bulb. So you need to make sure you get the old bulb first so you can match it, because their advice gave me the wrong bulb. Unfortunately, so I had to go back to Halfords twice. Yeah, so just open it up. So there you go. So as you can see, I've got the old bulb in my left hand and then a new one in my right hand. And I'm going to swap them over. I've already done one so far. It's really tricky to do, so I'm just going to get straight into it and show you how to do it. So getting the back of the bulb out can be really tricky, so I'd recommend getting a flat-headed screwdriver like I've got here, so that way you can just pry the back of the cabling off the back of the bulb. So to get in there, you can't really grab it and pull it off, so you need to just get it in behind it, and you just need to gently wedge it off like that. I've already changed one of the bulbs, so as you can see in here, that is a new bulb that has been put in. It is quite difficult to get at because you have to pop this cover off, and then once you pop that cover off, you then have to get in there, get the back of the cabling off the back of the bulb, which is where you need the flathead screwdriver, and then get the bulb out itself with the clips and swap it over. So it is quite fiddly because there's no room to do it, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So it is super tight getting to the back of it. So the first thing you want to do is on the back of the headlight unit, you have got this rubber cover. So you just want to pull that off, and then you can get into the back of the bulb there. As you see, it's so tight, so it's really difficult to film as well. But yeah, that's what you want to do the first step. So this is really difficult to film to get in here, but essentially the back, you've got the cable that goes onto the back of the bulb there, and then you have these two clips on the side. So these clips, you can pry out like so, like that. So you just push them in and out, and then you need to get the back of this cabling here, the back of the bulb, and it's really hard to grab and put it. So that's why you need the screwdriver to be able to get in there and do that. So essentially what you're going to do is get that flathead screwdriver, put it in there, and then you just wiggle it slowly on each side all around, just back and forth, and eventually you'll be able to pop that out, and then you'll be able to undo the two latches on the side, and then you'll be able to pull out the bulb. And then you can swap it over, and then you can just put the new backing on it, and it's all done. Right, so I've managed to get the cover off the back a little bit, move that rubber cover out of the way so I can kind of show you guys. Essentially what I'm going to do, then just get the screwdriver in here, and then just gently just wiggle it like that. Side to side is really hard because I'm filming one hand trying to do it. So you just got to see as it's pulling the back of the bulb, you could obviously then break the headlight unit. You've got to really easy get, and then get in there maybe, and just slowly wiggle it off each side, and essentially you just got to keep doing that, and eventually it will pop off, and you as long as you don't break it. As you can see, it is really quite fiddly, so especially when you're trying to film with one hand as well. So I'm just going to pop that off, and then I'll show you once it's popped off. So I have now popped the back of the cabling off. So that, I can just grab it, that's what it looks like on the back, and then you can see kind of in there, it's really difficult to show you, in the back of there, that is the back of the bulb. You can see the three prongs there. So essentially then you've got to just undo the clips, and that bulb will pop out. Back of here, I've undone those prongs there, so they've come out. That back of the bulb now is loose, so you just have to lever that forward, so it's like on a lever, and then you can get in there and you can grab that bulb, and then that will come out. But as you can see, trying to do it with one hand is very difficult. So that is, the bulb has now come out, as you can see there. So I've got that bulb out, and then now I just pull it out and swap it over with a new one. I've got the bulb out, so the last stage is now just to maneuver it out of here. So past the rubber and seal. There you go. So that is the bulb out. So yeah, really, really fiddly. So on the back of the bulb, you have 3 pins, as you can see there, and you want to make sure it's this way up. So you have that top pin, the horizontal one at the top. If you have it that way around, it's upside down. So you want to definitely have it at the top like that. So it'll go into the headlight like that. And you're going to have that horizontal one at the top. So yeah, you're just going to slide it into the back of the headlight, reattach the prongs, hold it in place, and then connect it up. So as you can see there, that is the back of the headlight, little prongs, and then I have got the electrics like back on top of it. So all I need to do now is just push that clip back on the top. So you just need to push that in. So I'll try and show you guys it. So literally just pushing that in. So I've just pushed it in there. And there you go, that is it. That's all pushed in, so that's all connected. So what I'd do first is I would just start up the car, make sure the bulb is working correctly. And then when that's all working, you can put the rubber seal back on that side. And then the same on that side as well. So the van is up and running. As you can see, that bulb is working fine on there. So that working. And then we have got the other one working as well. So I'm just going to whack it on high beam, show you as well. So there you go, that is them on high beam as well, and I'll show you what they're like in the dark. So the new bulbs in, I've just been for a test drive and they are so much better. They're way brighter than the old ones, so it makes a massive difference to when you're driving along. So this is with dip headlights and then switch to full beam as well, but you know, camera doesn't really give it a huge amount of justice because it is obviously low light. It's in the dark now, but yeah, when you're driving around, it is a massive difference. They're so much whiter as well. The old ones are very yellow. So yeah, it's a massive improvement. It makes a massive difference, you know, driving around, that kind of thing. So I'm super impressed. I'm so glad I've done this. It's a little bit fiddly, but just show you guys, it's quite easy to do. And hopefully this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.